बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is decor art signing in. So how are you guys? I hope so you all are fine. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most amazing and very stunning stone painting ideas. These are very unique and very latest ideas for you guys, and I hope so you like these stone painting ideas. So viewers, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are very unique and very amazing pebble painting ideas for you guys. You also watch different other craft videos on my channel. You also watch DIY tutorials on YouTube. About pebble paintings. You can decorate your homes with these pebble paintings. And you guys like this video, then press the like button and also share this video with your friends and with your family members. If you want different other craft videos, then leave the comment in the comment section. Always take care guys, always be happy These are very amazing and very unique pebble painting ideas. So guys, these are very amazing and these are very unique pebble painting ideas for you guys. Always think positive, guys. Always be positive. And these are very amazing and very unique pebble painting ideas for you guys. So always keep supporting my channel, and I'm very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. I hope so you enjoyed these pebble painting images, and you must try by your own at your homes, and you must share your experience with me in the comment section. And I hope so you enjoyed the video, and I also enjoyed this video because I like these painting craft. That's why I share with you all through my videos through my channel. So guys, hope so you enjoyed a lot and share this video with your friends. And if you are new on my channel, and if you are a new member of our family, our channel, then subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more updates, for more videos, and be happy. Always keep me in your prayers, and